So today I'm going to be changing out the cigarette lighter in a 1988 Dodge pickup truck W150. Here's my replacement, and here's the ashtray. This is a really easy fix. The problem with mine is it's very corroded inside to where the lighter won't even pull out of the socket. So first you'd be taking out the ashtray, and there's two wires connected on the back side of the lighter. Start by just pulling those off. One's a flat and one's a round. And in the box here we have a spare wire. I don't think I'll be using it because mine's not a wire issue, it's the actual mechanism here. How this works is it actually screws on by this casing here. It has a lip right here which goes on the threads here, so it's basically just unscrewing this one and putting this one back on, plugging it all back in. Let me do that now. Okay, I have the new one installed here. Let's see if it works. Well, we now have a cigarette lighter. Thanks for watching.